Welcome to a closer look at how artificial intelligence will change the world as we know it. The dawn of AI technology has accelerated growth in multiple industries, transforming mundane tasks into automated processes. From self-driving cars to predictive algorithms, AI is helping improve transportation and data analysis in unique ways. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing patient diagnosis and treatment, significantly increasing the overall quality and speed of care. In commerce, personalized AI-driven recommendations are refining consumer experience, making shopping more intuitive and tailored. The AI-driven smart home automation is set to provide us with a previously unimaginable level of comfort and convenience. Looking ahead, the combination of AI and renewable energy sources will reshape our approach towards sustainable living drastically. As we conclude, remember that our future with AI holds tremendous potential to not only change but to enhance our lives exponentially.